Look at the question carefully. It says 1/3 plus 3/6. You need the common denominator to add the fraction. This one is the first fraction and this one is the second. The second fraction has already a 6 there. The LCM is 6, so you need to convert this one by timing a number. And 3 times 2 is 6. It means you need to multiply 2 with the numerator and denominator. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is 6. This one already had 6, so you don't need to change it. Now you can add it. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, not 4. And here you have 1/4 plus 4/12. Now you need to change it. Let's see what is the LCM. I know in the fourth timetable there is 12, which goes 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. It means the LCM is 12 because 12 times 1 is 12. So it'll change the first denominator. 4 times 3 is 12. You have to multiply this 3 with the numerator 2. So 4 times 3 is 12 and 3 times 1 is 3. So you don't have to change the second, just let's add. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So the answer is 7/12.